Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Big Cuisine. Today, we're making crab cakes. Now, we all know jumbo crab meat can be really expensive. Now with this recipe, you have a cost-effective alternative to make your own amazing crab cakes right at home. The flavors in this dish cannot be denied. So, let's get started. Alright, for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, or the juice about half a lemon, plus some additional for serving. Then you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 8 ounces of fresh lump crab meat, and then 8 ounces of imitation crab meat. Now this is a real cost saver in the long run. And then you're going to need 2/3 cup of saltine cracker crumbs, which is going to be about 15 crackers. And then finally, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So to get things started, you're going to want to finely chop the parsley. This is done to make sure that the parsley mixes well in the combined sauce. Now, in a large sized bowl, you want to stir together the egg, mayonnaise, parsley, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, the Old Bay, the juice of half a lemon, and the salt all together until it's well combined. Make sure you stay until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe to come next Friday. Follow those ingredients up with adding the lump crab meat and the imitation crab meat to the bowl, followed by the saltine cracker crumbs. With a large rubber spatula, gently fold the mixture together until it's all well combined. And do your best not to tear apart the crab meat. You want it to hold its shape. Now, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes and maximum up to 1 day if preparing this dish in advance. You want it to marinate to allow the flavors of the sauce to infuse into the crab meat. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Now you want to generously grease a rimmed baking sheet with butter or non-stick spray, or alternatively, you can use parchment paper on the baking sheet. Now for making the crab cakes, you can use whatever technique you like, but I'm going to show you how I normally make them. So I use a 1/2 cup measuring cup, and I portion the crab cake mixture into 6 mounds on the baking sheet. Sometimes the crab meat can be loose, so you want to use your hands or a spoon to compact each individual mound so there aren't any lumps sticking out or falling apart. So these should have dome shapes while on the baking sheet. And for extra flavor, you can either brush or pour on some melted butter. You're going to want to bake these for 11 to 12 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or until they're lightly browned around the edges and on top. Once the time is up, pop them out the oven, and as a final touch, drizzle each crab cake with fresh lemon juice and serve them hot. just like that, you made your very own crab cake. These are packed with flavor, and they have little to no filler, so you get that great seafood taste that you're looking for. And what's even better is the savings on the cost. By using the imitation crab meat, you're cutting the cost in half while still maintaining that great flavor. But hey, if you're feeling rich and fancy, replace the imitation crab meat in this recipe with another 8 ounces of fresh lump crab meat. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave the link to that in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Next week I'm showing you how to make my mac and cheese. You won't want to miss that. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.